This one.
Ay, oh. Ang ganda.
Oh, wow.
Nice paints, bro. Hey. Okay.
Yun.
You see, look for the most easy, the most prominent na
Teka
play,
lang.
no?
Expert naman yan si Doc.
Hindi na ako expert, yun na nga masama.
Sana
it's
Doc
been
hindi
a
niya
long time.
sinabi.
Okay lang. This is the butterfly, no? All reliable. See?
Ay.
Look at that, no?
I
Yun, no?
see.
Look at the bevel, you know? Yung dapat, no? This is a gauge 16. Ayun, no? Kita mo yun.
Ay, hindi po to tulad
Anyway, you
nung
know
isa.
where it's directed because itong butterfly, dito ka na gold, so dapat ganito position. You see, ha?
Doc, hindi siya parehas.
Ha?
Yung nung isa natatanggalin mo kasi may...
Hindi, iba to. Iba
Yan,
to.
needle
Yung isa
talaga,
yung may
right?
ano, to needle talaga silicone. No? Okay, let's see. This is how you hold it, no? There you go, the back flow, you see?
Oh, that's quite cool.
There you go.
Galing.
Okay ka na.
Wow.
Expert.
Then, we remove na. So, see? Look. We remove this first, no? Yan. Oh,
Wrong
naku, matigas din.
side.
Patay kang bata ka. Sige, yun. Sige, pangit nga yan. Sige, okay. Now, remove this, no? Okay? Oh, yeah. Okay? That's how you do it.